A close eye on visibility, a close eye on developing storms. Both are going to impact your Wednesday morning for sure, because in the overnight hours, this rain falls and won't have time to dry up. So you're definitely going to be driving wet roads on the Wednesday commute. That means set the alarm a little early. Don't be in a rush tomorrow morning. Let's show you visibility live. I don't expect this to improve too much. Now, this system will clear out. I would expect by 8 to 9 a.m. tomorrow, and then we're going to get a sunny afternoon out of Wednesday. But visibility down Highway 90 drops quickly over Castroville and Hondo. It's only 2 miles at San Antonio International, 3 to 4 up I-35. About 3 to 4 to the south on 281. Go farther west and you see a pocket of dense fog. It's been all day long over Rock Springs. I mean, we've just been socked in where the atmosphere is just about saturated. It's been sitting about a degree or two away from saturation all afternoon. Temperature right now is 50. This has been the coolest. Our high was about mid-50s today. North and northeast wind near 10 miles per hour. Dew point, again, only 1 degree away from the air temperature. So that's why the relative humidity is at 96%. Remember, when we cool to our dew point, we reach saturation or 100% humidity, and the atmosphere can't hold any more water, and it condenses out at the surface. We make a cloud at the surface, known as fog. And of course, you can see it at San Antonio International right on the runways. Between 11 and 1 a.m., that's going to be the window of seeing some thunderstorms develop that begin to taper off and move east of San Antonio by 2 in the morning, with rain lingering into the 3 to 4 a.m. hour, and I think rain ends by then. So when we get up, maybe a lingering spotty drizzle spot or two, but not much expected. All right, now this is the fog picture for tomorrow. Still expected to be most dense out to our west, but we will see fog tomorrow morning. Again, please allow that extra time. Let's get to live radar. These showers are light. You can see moving into Seguin now some rain. Also downtown, back to the west, it gets a little bit heavier south of Hondo. Then farther to the west and into Eagle Pass. This is the line that we're dealing with now, but more expected to develop in this region. You see near Sonora, some of these thunderstorms beginning to crank up. Could see some of this develop in the thunderstorm activity once it reaches some spots of instability in and around San Antonio. Earlier, look at the storms that blew up around mid-morning this morning. So we expect the same to happen, and these can drop a lot of rain quickly. It even led to a flood advisory up towards Austin earlier today. And see, this upper level trough, this is it right here. It's not even a trough. It's short wave. Easy for me to say. A short wave. And when that kicks through, then we start seeing this atmosphere stabilize, and a cold front drops in with a big blast of Arctic air. So here's the picture. 11 o'clock and some isolated thunderstorms begin to pop, and then we get this east of the city 1 to 2 in the morning, and then the last of the rain into about the 6 or 7 a.m. hour. Cloudy early, sunny in the afternoon. We're not expecting much rain, not much more than what we had. Some spots ½ an inch, upwards of an inch. I think these late night, overnight showers maybe up to another ½ an inch at most. It's rodeo time. 14-day forecast, 80 tomorrow. After the sun comes out, of course, it's going to be nice. But then look at this cool down for Thursday. We go down to 39 Thursday morning, 51 or 52 on a colder Thursday, rebounding to nearly 60 Friday, maybe, if we get enough sunshine. Could stay in the 50s, 77 Saturday. Saturday looks good. Sunday, too, with a high of 60. So it's back and forth all the way through. And then as we get into next week, we should get a little more seasonal, 17th, 18th, with an isolated shower possible. And don't forget tomorrow's KENS Day at the rodeo, 4, 5, and 6 p.m. newscast. I'm live doing weather on the rodeo grounds. Come out and see me because it's going to be a sunny, beautiful day, Nate Ryan.